we're looking at trying to answer this question as always, sometime, and never. So 5 plus 5 digit giving us a 5-digit number. Oh, it's quite tricky actually. So again, there's a way to think about all of this, right? Try to take up each question. I think I'll pause for each question so that it's kind of not monotonous or it's not boring. So try to figure out the first question. Take a pause. Okay, let me give you guys a clue. How do you think about it? As of now, what I'm thinking is I'll take the maximum possible 5-digit numbers and the lowest possible 5-digit numbers and see if this condition is always or sometime or never true. Okay, that's how you can think of it. Again, I'm telling take the maximum 5 digits, add it itself. So basically I'm multiplying with 2. Adding the same number 2 times is just multiplying with 2, right? 10 plus 10 is 20. So 10 into 2 is 20. 30 plus 30 is 30 into 2. Is it not? Right? Then I'm going to take up the minimum 5-digit number and multiplying with 2. Basically adding it. So see what results you guys get and you can come to a conclusion. So 99999 into 2. Of course, I'll not multiply this. Clearly, it's more than 5 digits because they're not asking us to prove any result. I'm being smart. So this is giving us a value which is more than 5 digit. So I can clearly write, and this we know that, right? Minimum is 10,000 into 2, which is giving us 20,000. So what is the answer over here? Yes, sometimes. That's all. Don't try too much. Not needed. They've asked for using this phrase or word. We'll just use that word and be done with the answer. 4-digit plus 2-digit gives us a 4-digit number. Again, please pause. Think over. It's time for you guys to start getting smarter. So what will I do over here? I'll take the maximum 4-digit plus maximum, what is the other one? 2-digit, and see what is the possibility. And then we have minimum 4-digit plus minimum 2-digit, and I'll see. Because okay, first thing is I hope you guys are able to figure out why am I using this maximum minimum. I think that also is something that I would want you guys to think of. We'll answer it at the last. Let me write it off. So discuss why maximum and minimum. I'm sure most of you have already realized it, but it's my duty. So let me do that. So guys, you can think of this. This is a good enough clue. So maximum would be 9999 plus 99. So basically, what is it? 4-digit. 4 plus, okay. So this is clearly more than 4-digit, right? Then this would be 5,000 plus 10. This will give us 1010, which is a 4-digit number. So this answer is sometimes. That's it. So can you guys think of C? We already have done this. 4-digit plus 2-digit giving us a 6-digit. Is it possible? So what will I do is, you guys need not write this per se according to me. I mean, I'm just, because I have an option, I'm doing this. So you can derive this answer for C from this itself. Yeah. Can you think of that? You can use B. We are in question C. Please pause again. Okay, let's have a look. 4 digit plus 2 digit giving us 6 digit. So this is less than 6 digit, is it not? This will give us a 5 digit number, less than 6 digit. So maximum plus maximum is not able to give. Obviously, minimum plus minimum will not be giving this. So I need not even do this, honestly. So I'll just directly write this as never, right? So that would be your never. Then we are on to D. 5 plus 5 giving us 5 digit number. We did that. Oh, sorry, minus. Same process. So I'm thinking of maximum 5 digit minus the maximum 5 digit. For difference, this might not be actually helpful, but let me go with this. So obviously, what will it be? 99999 minus 99999. This will give us what? Shunya. Is it not? So here we can clearly tell it is not always, you know. So one option is gone. It's not always. It can be sometimes or never. Right? Let's have a look. Can it be sometimes? Can we get 5 digit minus 5 digit giving us a 5 digit number? Can you think of it? So let me take up maximum 5 digit. Yeah. What should I do? Think of it. We're trying to figure out, is it never? So for that, I'm going to take the minimum 5 digit. Right? This is the best possible scenario that we can see. So 99999 minus 10,000, which will give us a 5 digit number. Right? I need not write the answer. I can clearly see that it's equal to a 5 digit number. And this implies what we have is sometimes. Not always, not never, it's sometimes. Okay, finally we have E. 5 minus 2 giving us 3 digit number. Time for you guys to pause and think. Okay, let's have a look. Maximum of 5 digit minus maximum of 2 digit. So what does it give? We have 99999 minus 99. So this will be a number which is 5 digit. So they want us to talk about 3 digit. Can we get 3 digit out of it? That's the question. How will we think of it? So this is not at all helping us. Again, pause and think. So the best possible scenario for us would be the minimum of 5 digit minus, is it the minimum or the maximum? Correct. It's maximum. Right? We are sending the best possible person. Then we have 10,000 over here and we have here 99. So basically this would be a 4 digit number. Even the worst, the best possible scenario 2 is giving us a 4 digit number, but not a 3 digit number, not in hundreds. They want 3 digit number, clearly not a 3 digit number. And as a conclusion, what can we tell? It will be never. And finally, discuss y maximum and y minimum. See, maximum and minimum, when you take up, it covers all possibilities. Covers all possibilities. Okay. That is, if I take up the maximum plus maximum like in this scenario, minimum plus minimum and maximum. Any number in between will be covered, right? Is it not? So if I'm able to add uh, 10 plus 10 and say 999 plus 999 and see the result, I have covered all the possible scenarios in between. Okay, so if I do 999 plus 999 and 100 plus 100, so have I not covered all the numbers 3-digit sum? Is it not? So basically I'll end up with whatever result that is. So this would be, let me write it here itself, 1000 plus 1000 is 2000, so 1998. That would be the maximum and this would be the minimum. You take up any number, 3-digit number, try adding them. You will end up with this two result itself. Let me actually do that. Okay. So I can say someone is thinking of this number, right? It's less than 1998. Let me take up, it's less than this number. Whatever number you can think of. Let me go to the other extreme. It'll be more than this. So when I cover the worst and extreme scenario, basically. When I cover the extreme scenario, in between scenarios are by default covered. Okay. So it covers all the possibilities. So when we deal with maximum and minimum, we are covering the extreme scenarios. So when it comes to addition, when it comes to subtraction, the rule is a bit complex. So that is something that has to settle in time. So me explaining it will confuse you guys more. So I won't go to the subtraction part. Okay, not to that extent. So you just see the pattern, what is that, what is helping us, and try to figure it out. So there are many possibilities for different scenarios. If I list them out, you guys will not get smarter. I'm just showing you guys how I think. From this, you should derive how you guys can think. It might take a day, it might take two, it might take a day or two, or it might take 6 months or 5 months. That is absolutely okay. If you're not able to grasp it at one go or able to come to such conclusion on your own, and if it's taking time, it will happen. But if it's taking time, that is okay. Right? Okay. So now have a look at what we have discussed.